Alright, chat. That's part one. Oh my god. Dude, this is apparently 62 pounds. Do you realize what 62? That's like more than half my weight. Yo, I'm not getting this out. No, no. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. That's box number 2 gone. Oh my god. Oh my god. Do I have water? What the hell? Alright. Voice. Okay. Alright. Almost there. Almost there. Okay. See, I would lift it to show you guys better, but I quite literally can't. I don't have that kind of physical strength. Oh my god. So, yeah. Dude, I actually don't know how I'm gonna lift it because my PC used to stay my table, but I think right now it's virtually impossible to do so. I don't think it's possible. Um, okay, I think I have to take up. Okay. Alright, chat. From the way that I'm understanding the case, the way that it works is you have to take off the top part for you to be able to get out the front part, the glass. So, oh my god, this is already the hardest thing I ever made. What the hell? Is there another part that I'm missing? Oh, this part, right? What? Wait, I'm actually. Oh, okay, never mind. Okay, never mind. That's a lot easier. That's a lot easier than I thought. Uh huh. Okay. Oh. Alright, chat. I'll be right back. I need to get a screwdriver. Oh my god. I'm actually so tired. Okay, so first test is to see if it's working, right? Because we would hate for it to not. This has been a process, all right, chat. This PC was ordered in like the 8th of December. It's been more than a month. Why does my PC still say that it's 12/23? 2020. Why does it say it's 2023 of what? All right. Anyways, we don't. It's December 12th. All right, just to let you know. Wait, no, it's not. It's December 10th. My bad. Is it on already? Ow. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. There we go. If you see me touching the glass, it's because it still has the wrap, alright? That's why. Okay, I wanna bring it back so you guys can see it. There you go. I'm not gonna lie, I did not mean to turn it on. I was gonna do it like a 3, 2, 1, but I didn't realize that the power button was in the front. It's in the front. It's not. It's not in the top. Yeah. There we go, guys. Look at this. This is it. This is the PC. Oh my god. It was worth. Dude, this PC is actually gonna die right here. Wait. It's working. It's working. That's all that matters.